Hello everyone, this is Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. I'm just going to take you through building up mega menus within Pillar for WordPress. So to begin with, we're going to create a fresh menu item and then drop some mega menu bits into that. So basically, we'll begin by heading to Appearance and Menus. And on the standard navigation, I'm going to add my own little extra element to that. So let's just call it Dan's Mega Dropdown. Okay, for now that's all we're going to do there. In another tab, I'm going to head to the eBall Mega Menu area in our admin, and I'll go to Add New. And this is where we create the content of the mega menu drop down, which will all begin to make sense shortly. So I'll call this Dan's Mega Drop Down, and we're going to add a row. Next, you're going to want to split it up into however many columns. So if we take a look at the front, for example, we've got a 3-column one here. So I'll go for something a bit more simple. I'll go for a 2-column drop down. And then within there, we're going to add a menu block to each column. And here you can select the menu which you've created in the menu area to display here. So just because I've got one already set up, I will choose the portfolio menu to go there. And in this column, we want another menu block, and I will drop the home pages menu in there. So we'll publish that. And now for the bit which ties it all together. So we've created a new mega menu item here, and we've created a new area in the menu for that to go, but we need to add that menu item to the menu here. And the way that's done, it's very simple, although it may not be apparently obvious when you first load the theme up, but you'll need to go to the Screen Options tab up here. And if you've never seen this before, you will see loads of stuff you've never seen. At the moment, we're just going to add the eBall Mega Menu post type. So you can see there, as we add or tick that box, it gets added to the available list of things we can add to the menu. So that's good enough. So now we've got that added, we're going to go and grab the menu we've just created, and you can see when we add it to a menu item here, when we refresh the page, as you can see, we've got our new menu area on the end here, but just to show you what you can expect, when we hover over that, it looks blank, at which point you may think it's all a bit broken. That's not quite the case. There's a little bit extra we need to do. So if we go back to the mega menu item we created earlier, because we're using Visual Composer, one thing we need to do is just set the row up correctly. It's very simple. We simply go to the settings here and we select stretch row from the row options here. So we'll update the section, hit reload, and there we go. We can see we've got our menu we can keep adding bits to as we wish. And that's an overview of how to create a mega menu with Pillar. I hope this has been useful. Any other questions, do come see me over at support.